it's Michelle Amoré. Today I'll be bringing you guys a professional makeup look. I will be doing my law school interviews today, and so I decided to go ahead and just film a video on like my makeup and what my makeup tips are for a more professional but still cute type of makeup look for anyone who might need some help in that department. The look is a very simple everyday type of look. The focus on a professional look is to be professional and have all the emphasis be on your intellectual offerings and not on your looks, but at the same time you still want to look fresh-faced and put together. So I believe I achieved that with this look, and I hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial. And so with that said, we'll go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so to start off, the goal of this look is to have a very fresh and clean-faced makeup look. So you want to really highlight your glowy skin. You want to keep things not very colorful, but just a little hint of color to make yourself look youthful and happy and things of that nature. So to start off, I have oily skin. I'm an oily girl. So I'm gonna go in with my Becca Primer just so that my face stays matte throughout the day as I'm interviewing or doing whatever it is I'm doing at work or whatever the case may be. Now I'm going in with my e.l.f. Poreless Prime, and I'm just gonna put this over the Becca on certain areas, but more so on the areas that I didn't hit. So like my cheeks, a little bit more of my forehead, and tap a little bit on my nose. Now with that done, I'm gonna go ahead and go in on my eyebrows. I don't want super dark eyebrow look. Honestly, with a professional look, you want it to look as natural as possible. So I'm just gonna go through and just darken and fill up any gaps in my eyebrows. I did get my eyebrows microbladed, so this experience is gonna go by pretty fast. If you'd like to watch that video, I'll have it linked up above for you to go ahead and see, but so far I've loved getting my eyebrows microbladed. It helps save so much time, and I'm actually gonna go back to get my touch-up in like a few weeks, so I'm really excited to see how that comes out. And that's literally it. Don't even have to do too much. Now I'm going in with my Milani foundation to go ahead and just clean up under my brows and just make everything look really precise and really pretty. Now that my eyebrows are all done, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting on my lashes. Now, I personally like to wear lashes all the time. I know wearing super dramatic lashes is not professional and is definitely not something you should bring to the workplace. Leave that for the club or the weekend or going out with the girls, but not for work. So what I do is to wear very thin lashes. Like, these are pretty natural looking, they're not too much, but they still give me enough extra that I feel comfortable wearing. I'm not one of those people who likes wearing those super thin lashes that barely look like they're there. There's no point in wearing lashes in that case. But if you're also someone who's blessed with really long lashes, mascara should be just fine, but I don't have any, so lashes it is. While my lashes are drying, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my foundation. I'm just using my Maybelline Fit Me. I love this for like an everyday look. It's not full coverage, or at least not as full coverage as the Milani, but I do love how lightweight it is, and just for it being work, I think that's just the best way to go. Now, if you do need more coverage, then wearing a higher coverage foundation works perfectly as well, but my skin's pretty decent, so I don't really need to go that far. Now, I personally don't wear eyeshadow for professional looks just because I really like to look as simple as possible. But what I do like to do is to go in with my foundation over my eyelids just to add or just make everything look more smooth and like in unison, and just do a little bit to it. So that's all I really do there. Now I'm just going in with the Beauty Blender to go ahead and blend everything out. Now with that done, I'm just gonna go in with my tweezers to go ahead and apply my eyelashes. And so that's how my lashes look. I love how just effortless and like light they are, but still a little drama because that's who I am, and I don't think the workplace or being professional should have to kill and stifle your individuality altogether. So now with that done, I'm gonna go ahead and just start working on my skin. I don't typically wear blush, but I love wearing it for like interviews or like the workplace, just because it makes your skin look really youthful and really pretty. So I'm going in with this blush that I got from the beauty supply store. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It's not as dramatic, but it gives a little flush pink to your cheeks. That's just really pretty. And so that's how it looks. I like how flirty it is. Now I'm gonna go in and contour my face. I'm using my True Complexion palette by Black Radiance. You can just get these from Walmart. I really do love this and I use it all the time. But I'm gonna go in with the darkest shade and just kind of contour and chisel my cheeks a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with this bronzer just to kind of brighten up my face a little bit. I put this a little on my cheeks and then down the bridge of my nose and on my chin. And then I go in on this same bronzer and I apply it under my brows just to lighten up my face a bit. There, it just looks really pretty on my brow bone. And then I go in and I add this just a little bit inside my inner tear dot, just also to brighten things up and add to that bright effect. Next, I'm going in with my mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my lash line just to blend it with the falsies. And then just a little bit on my waterline. Now with that done, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my lips. I just put some Vaseline on there. Now I'm gonna go in with a brown lip liner and just add a little definition to my lips. And now for like a lip color, I stay away from like super loud colors like red. I like to do something more matte, like just a matte pink, or I also don't like doing lip glosses just because lip glosses draw a lot of attention. The idea about being professional is that you don't want the attention to be on your appearance, but more so on what you have to offer intellectually. So I do try to stay clear away from things that are gonna really draw attention to like your beauty or your face, but you do still want to make yourself look as fresh and as just happy and alert as much as possible. And so I really do go in with like a nude or like a pink type color, just because it adds a little color, but it's not too much to the point where it can be a distraction. That's it. It's kind of a muted pink, and it kind of mutes the pink in my lips naturally, but I do like that just so that it decreases the attention to like, because I already have big lips, so it just decreases attention and makes things a lot more professional. Now I'm just going in with my e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Set. And with that, I am finally done. So now I'm gonna go ahead and finish dressing up completely and show you guys the final look. All right, so this is the final look. I'm just wearing this simple dress that's like cuffed on the sleeves. This is pretty business casual. You could throw a blazer on top of it to make it a bit more dressy and professional, but I'm just doing sit down interviews today, so I don't think it's that necessary to go all the way to that point. But for my jewelry, I'm just wearing these very simple studs and a very simple studded pendant necklace. Nothing too extra, nothing too dramatic, but just a little to look a little bit more put together. And so for the full dress, I can go ahead and show you guys that too. This is the dress. Mind you, this is the world of Zoom, so no one can really see all the way down there, but it's just a cute little dress. I'll have the link to the Shein haul that I did that includes this dress and a lot of other work dresses and stuff. I love how affordable it is, and especially because it's very breathable and comfortable and something nice to wear all day at work. But With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that my makeup tips for a professional look for like an interview or for work was helpful for you. If so, go ahead and give this video a like and a thumbs up, and subscribe and comment down below and let me know your thoughts on this look, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag, do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too.